Welcome to SingMen's, where innovation meets functionality. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the world of membrane switches and how they can revolutionize your products and applications. Membrane switches are advanced interface solutions that combine durability, versatility, and customization to deliver exceptional performance in a wide range of industries, including electronics, medical devices, running machine, automotive, and more. At SingMen's, we take pride in designing and manufacturing high-quality membrane switches that offer a host of advantages and benefits. Advantage 1. Durability and reliability. Our membrane switches are built to withstand even the harshest environments, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability in demanding conditions. Advantage 2. Customization options. We understand that every application is unique. That's why our membrane switches can be fully customized to meet your specific requirements, from size and shape to colors, graphics, and functionality. We tailor our switches to fit seamlessly into your products or equipment. Advantage 3. Easy installation. We know that time is of the essence. Our membrane switches are designed for effortless to install into your device, allowing for quick and hassle-free installation. Advantage 4. Tactile feedback. Our switches provide tactile feedback, enhancing user interaction and improving accuracy and efficiency. With our switches, users can experience precise and responsive control. Advantage 5. Enhanced aesthetics. We understand the importance of visual appeal. Our advanced printing capabilities allow us to create visually stunning designs that elevate the aesthetics of your products or equipment. At SingMen's, we are committed to delivering exceptional quality and customer satisfaction. Our experienced team of engineers and designers will work closely with you to understand your unique needs and develop customized membrane switches that exceed your expectations. Unlock the true potential of your applications with SingMen's cutting-edge membrane switches. Let us be your partner in innovation and functionality. Contact us today to learn more about how our membrane switches can enhance your products and applications. Together, we can unlock limitless possibilities.